guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we got our very first pair of the Yeezy 500 in its stone colorways. We're going to be sharing with you guys why we chose to pick this colorway over the other colorways that released this year. And guys, make sure you stay tuned to the end of the video because this is our first Yeezy 500 and we're going to show you guys how we style it, so you guys should stay tuned. We're going to do a quick unboxing to show you guys how it came in the box. And yeah, this is the Yeezy 500. This is our first Yeezy 500. And guys, we're just gonna take out both of the sneakers, and we're gonna break down some of the materials in the sneaker, the material changes. And the sneaker is still covered with suede, and like it's really high quality suede, and like it still has that gum bottom. Yeah, I really like the gum bottom. And the only material change is the neoprene. They changed the mesh. Instead of the mesh, they went with the neoprene this time, and like it really makes the sneaker more puffy, but it's still comfortable. Like it makes the sneaker more snug. So if you guys want to get this sneaker, you guys should go with your standard size or like half a size up if you guys want a little bit of room. One thing I like about this sneaker is like the tongue. The tongue now is loose. It's not as attached as the mesh, the previous ones. The mesh was attached, but this time they made it loose, so it's more comfortable and it's gonna be more easy to get in the sneaker. I know the Yeezy 500 has been really repetitive. They've been like dropping a lot of identical colorways, so we were waiting for them to switch up the materials or change something in the sneaker. So when they decided to change the mesh with this neoprene material, especially in this winter time where it's really colder, we're really excited to pick it up. My overall first impression when I got this sneaker in hand is a lot different than I initially thought. I thought this sneaker was gonna be like a lot more like the same like the other 500s, but it actually looks like this sneaker got stung by a bee. The neoprene material actually changed the sneaker up. It made the sneaker look a little bit more puffier. That's not necessarily like a bad thing, but in my opinion, it just looks like a lot chunky. It looks like a dad sneaker. Like, yeah, it looks more like fat. And like guys, this sneaker is like those sneakers that when you have them on your feet, it looks so different than like what it looks in hand. It looks slimmer when you put it on. Like that's so weird. This is not to roast the sneaker. I think the neoprene actually makes the sneaker more comfortable, because like the mesh with the previous ones, the mesh couldn't move. Like this one, I think you can move the tongue around. It's more like flexible. But the mesh was just like sewed in. You couldn't move the mesh, so it makes the sneaker more comfortable. I don't know what material they use on the sneaker or what like technology they use. It's not as comfortable as Boost, but this is very firm on the ground. It's way like, it's more firm on the ground. Boost is more bouncy and this is more like stable. I really like the Yeezy 500 silhouette. It's a really grown-up sneaker. It doesn't stick out like a Yeezy, just a Yeezy sneaker, and it doesn't stick out like a Adidas sneaker. It's really minimalistic in terms of branding. And it's not like a high beast kind of sneakers because it's very tonal. It's not like very like out there and flashy. With the 500 silhouette, there's not so much you can do with it because like they'll be coming out with like tonal colorways. There's not so much you could do with like the colors of the sneaker because it's more like a grown-up sneaker. You can't like really throw on like a bright orange on the sneaker like what they did with the V2s. The V2s, they like made a lot of colorways because like that sneaker I think is more like a fun sneaker. Like everyone can have that sneaker, but anyone can rock it. That's what I mean to say. Anyone can rock that sneaker, but these one is a little bit like harder to rock. And like I think there've been pictures surfacing of like a high version of this sneaker in like a navy blue colorway, and like I think it's coming out next month. And that sneaker reminds me of like the Jordan 11s. It looks so sleek, and like I'm really excited to pick that one up. When it comes to styling this sneaker, we're gonna be personally staying away from jeans because jeans is just gonna make the sneaker look a lot chunkier than like fat. Yeah, we're gonna be sticking with like cargo pants and like tech wear kind of stuff. It's gonna make the sneaker more like it's gonna make the sneaker look a lot better. And we're not gonna bore you guys by talking too much about this sneaker. I know you guys are gonna see a lot of reviews or whatnot of this sneaker on YouTube, so we're not gonna bore you guys. We put together a detail on feet showing you guys how to style this sneaker. Before we get to the on feet, if you guys are new to the channel, you guys should go ahead and support the channel by subscribing and turn on your post notifications so you get notified when we post a new video. And guys, make sure you like and share this video. If you guys like the content that we're making, please guys, go ahead and like the video and leave a comment down below. Tell us if you guys are gonna pick up the Yeezy 500 highs that's coming out next month. And until then guys, we'll see you guys in our next video.